Kameme TV.
Amukira ngeithi hwainyi wa tariki 19 mweri wa 8 mwaka wa 2024 mwihoko wakwa ni ati ni watindia thayo na ni wega muno makiria ni guthii na mbere gutucagura guku gwa Kameme TV. Maya ni mohoro maturaine na maya no mamwe ma maria ngukorwo ngikumenyithia. Mamwe ma maria tukuhariirie. Minister wa kigina John Badi kwendekithia gucokio kwa mendekithia 49 aria mari watho-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Thirikari kuga gutire na haho ya murimu uyu na ithimi 26 nicio wetwo guthurimwo 10 cio igithurimwo laboratory-ini thibitari-ini wa KNH.
Our partners are not acting in good faith. They're hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM.
Atongoria a kiama kia ODM kuga matikwagagio ni aruna ao ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio aria maroria Raila Odinga eyeherie ngwataniro-ini ino ni kunyitana na thirikari. Mutauri witu na njira ya ciikwa ni wagaki wa Muthoni, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Chege. Ni ngatho ringi ni undu wa unyitaniri waku. Na tukiambiriria ithimi cia andu 26 nicio wetwo niguo ithurimwo na ikuranwo kana andu aria maheanite ithimi ici mari na murimu wa Mpox kuria gatagati ka icio ithimi 10 nicio irikitie gutwarwo thiini wa laboratory thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta. Na kuringana na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Deborah Mulongo, no murwaru umwe wonekanite na murimu ucio na akamukira urigiti. Ministry igitariria ni yareire mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu ucio. Wambui wa Njuguna niwe uratuhingurira na ripoti ino.
Murwaru umwe nowe wonekanite na murimu wa Mpox guku bururi-ini na akamukira urigiti. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga ithimi cia andu angi makiria ma 29 aria marahutanitie na murwaru ucio ni ithurimitwo na ikonania matiri na dalili o ciothe cia murimu ucio. Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, ithimi ingi 26 cia andu marekuirwo gukorwo na murimu ucio nicioetwo kuria gukinyiria riu ithimi 10 irathurimwo niguo gukurana kana andu acio mari na murimu wa Mpox.
The primary risk in contact with an infected person or contaminated personal items or through sexual contact is the common secondary infection that would occur in our country.
Minister ugima wa mwiri augite thirikari ni ihariirie kungethanira na murimu wa Mpox amu session 4 iria ni gatagati-ini ka iria ciahuthikaga gutabaniria ithimi cia murimu wa COVID-19 thiini wa thibitari munene wa Kenyatta no iguthie na mbere kuhuthika hari gutabaniria ithimi cia Mpox.
Only come up with a result that is confirmed once we have had collated results from all these labs, so that we are quite certain when we say you have Mpox, then there's no doubt about it.
Dalili cia murwaru ugwatitwo ni murimu wa Mpox ni hamwe na gukorwo na thundo mwiri-ini, kuigua urugari makiria, guturwo ni mutwe, kunogerera gatagati-ini ka mangi. Dagitari Patrick Amoth akiuga ni wega murwaru kumatha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini.
These symptoms typically last for 2 to 4 weeks, and it's important to note that there are other diseases which may appear like Mpox. These include scabies and chickenpox among others.
Ona kuri uguo bururi wa Kenya ni utanyitwo kwamukira njanjo cia kuhurana na moruru ma murimu uyu itanyihiire milioni 2 ugikinyiria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu Patrick Amoth akiuria muingi kurumirira mitaratara iria yahuthikaga hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 niguo kurigiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa Mpox.
But the vaccine will not be for everybody because of the scarcity in terms of the availability of the vaccines. So we are going to prioritize who are the risk population to be able to be put at the forefront for vaccine administration.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Tuhungukire cigie uteti utongoria wa kiama kia ODM ni ukirire atongoria a ciama iria iri rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio ni kwagira kiene itemi ria Raila Odinga ta mutongoria wa mwena wa mung'ethaniro muikariri giti wa kiama kia ODM Gladys Wanga augite matikuhe kanya atongoria angi ngwataniro-ini ino matindikiririe Raila akindire umwe wao ta mutongoria wa ngwataniro ino agikinyiriria gutire woiguano o ta kiama kia ODM mekiranire na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Muthenya wa ira amwe ya atongoria ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni maratariirie methugunda mao ma gubanga weru utongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio hatari gukuruhania kiama kia ODM thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga na thiriti yake kwinyitithania na thirikari mĩario ĩrĩa riu irarakite utongoria wa kiama kia ODM.
Wanaotaka kuingia kwa serikali wako na uhuru kuingia kwa serikali, lakini sisi tumeamua tutakuwa wapinzani.
Tikwenda gutukanio na gutwikwirwo ati twi hamwe na mundu gwitwo Raila, tutire hamwe. We ari thiini wa thirikari na ithuĩ twi thiini wa opposition.
Muikariri giti wa kiama kia ODM Gladys Wanga ni akomithitie mĩario ya atongoria ngwataniro-ini ino aria makoretwo makiagira kiene wiheani wa Odinga ta mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro makiuga matire na wendi mwega.
So we will continue to uphold those values and we will not be intimidated by anyone, either within Azimio coalition or even outside Azimio coalition.
We are here as a party to express serious misgivings about utterances by some of our partners in the Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya coalition party, who have attempted to question the place of ODM and its commitment to playing its role as an opposition party. We would not take seriously such utterances were they not directed as they are now at the party leader of the ODM party, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, who is also the leader of Azimio.
Wanga no augite kiama kia ODM no giguthie na mbere kuruta wira wakio ta kiama kia mung'ethaniro akiuga matigwitikiria atongoria maigano na matindikirie Raila amakindire kuyukia utongoria wa ngwataniro eno kuona nikio kiama kiria kina abungi aringi ngwataniro-ini.
On the matter at hand, the questioning of ODM and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's commitment to opposition, our partners are not acting in good faith. They're hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM. We find that unacceptable and we wish to reiterate the obvious. The House leadership is about numbers in the House.
Mheshimiwa Raila does not need to lie that he spoke to Uhuru Kenyatta to cleanse himself as purported by Kioni. Cleanse himself from what?
ODM is a principal partner in Azimio coalition. We cannot be lectured by some of our junior partners in the coalition that we leave coalition. In fact, some of the partners in the coalition, we are even questioning their status in the coalition. Jubilee Party, for example.
Atongoria ana kiama-ini kia ODM ni makuruhanirio ndundu-ini njeru ya minister utongoria wa kiama giki riu kiuga giki ti gitumi kiiganu gia kuga ODM ni irarutithania wira na thirikari makiuga gutire ngirimiti yothe mekiraniire na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
ODM does not have a coalition agreement with Kenya Kwanza or UDA. If those who are telling us that we are in government care, I want to advise them to read the Political Parties Act.
We wish to restate that the fact remains what our party leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, has said before. There is no agreement between ODM and Kenya Kwanza that makes the two joint partners in government.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni, na mutongoria wa kiama kia DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa no mathiete na mbere gukinyiriria kwaga kwenyenyo o ta mwena wa mung'ethaniro ndumiriria utongoria wa kiama kia ODM riu igithie na mbere kwararamia mwatuko uria ukoretwo ho ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio. Na tugithie na mbere, Minister wa Kigina John Mbadi ni ataririe itanya ria thirikari hari gucokia mendekithia ma mawatho meru ma ungania wa magoti, akiendekithia maundu 49 maria mari watho-ini wa kana mari watho-ini wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 uria wareganirwo naguo ni a Kenya gucokio mutaratara-ini wa gutuika watho. Na kumana no riu ndugamano ingi yahota kwiyumiria thirikari ikionania ndariri ciothe cia kurehe magoti meru o riria Kenya matari mararegeria mirugamo kana murugamo wao iguru rigie mawatho o mothe meru. Bataro wa Mwangi niwe wina riboti ino.
Mieri minini thutha wa Kenya kung'ethanira na thirikari makiregana na mendekithia meru mawatho wa ungania wa magoti wa mwaka wa 2024, President William Ruto agitongoria Deretieno agitariria ati hatiri undu tangaja bururi no nginya uthundure njira njeru cia kungania kigina makiria.
Tulikuwa tumeweka bilioni 130 kwa budget, lakini mnajua hiyo budget ilienda segemnege. Mnaelewa hivyo? Kuna watu walipigia kelele mpaka hiyo budget ikapotea. Sasa mimi nimeambia Malulu hapa na wabunge wenzetu, si ndio? Tutaenda tupange tena uzae mtoto, na mtoto huyo apate shida, hakuwa hai. Wewe una give up, si unarudi tena kwa kitanda?
Othikoni ni thutha wa minister mweru wa Kigina John Mbadi kwihitithio giturwa-ini giki, ri minister uyu nionanĩtie itanya ria kuhuthira mamwe ma mendekithia maria mareganirwo na mwatho-ini muhaguku wa Kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Riu Mbadi akiendekithia kuhuthika gwa tucunjĩ twa watho 49.
The country must grow. There are provisions in that bill which would have helped the country to grow. I am not under any delusion that the work ahead is easy. Even before coming here, I am very much aware that it is not very easy.
Kuringana na mendekithia ma ministry ya Kigina, gucenjio kwa watho uyu guguteithiriria bururi kwimathira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 69.3 hari mwaka turi wa Kigina, undu uria utanyite kuhitukira mutaratara wa uthoreki wa watho mweru ugitafanio na kamiti ya bunge igie Kigina. Muikariri giti wa kamiti no Kuria Kimani akiuga ndari arakinyirwo ni mendekithia maya.
Sio bunge kwamba inakuja na huo mswada. Mswada huo hautoki katika bunge. Mswada huo unatoka kwa mawaziri, kwa baraza la mawaziri. Wacha niseme kwa baraza la mawaziri. Sasa baada basi ya mswada huo kufika katika bunge, ndio bunge sasa inatafuta maoni ya Wakenya, alafu wanapendekeza.
Mamwe ma maundu maria thirikari irongoreirie niguo kwa ndandura Kigina kiayo ni hamwe na kuhitukia kiwatho nyongerera ya igoti ria maguta ria road maintenance levy ria ritanyitwo kurehera bururi ciringi bilioni 32.
If we could increase our revenue collection to GDP by just even about 3%, I am sure that would give us almost 400 billion shillings additional.
Treasury will have to do public participation on that afresh. It has to be published by the Kenya Gazette afresh, like a new law, like a completely different new law. The National Assembly will have to go through the processing of that law afresh. So there will not be any relationship between, legally that is.
Igotha ria magoti kuri iganda na huthiria indo rikoneka gucuniria ri ministry no kiendekithia gucokia igoti ria maria maturigiceirie kana eco levy hari indo itiganite. Iri ministry no getetera na kuga ndi kugathika igoti riri hari indo ta tauro cia utheru ndumwe na daipa cia ciana iria ciacungiririe uregani munene. Mbadi no endekithĩtie kuongererwo kwa ihinda hari arĩhia magoti rĩrĩ kũmateithĩrĩria gutheria rekodi ciao na kuriha magoti hatari kuhurwo faini na njoherera undu rĩ naguo ratanya gukorwo watho-ini mweru.
One of them is to run away from this notion that high tax rates will raise high tax revenue. The reality is the opposite.
Hadini ya Kameme TV letora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
Ni wega muno makiria ni guthie na mbere gutwarana hamwe na ithuĩ twitikirie tukorwo tukihumuka oro hanini na riboti ya Bataru wa Mwangi, no ni turacokereria na riboti makiria ndukehere mitambo-ini.